This ingracious abduction constitutes a grave violation of the fundamental rights enshrined in our Constitution. Particular Article 29 guarantees every citizen the right to freedom and security, including protection from arbitrary detention. This blatant disregard of constitutional protection strikes at the very core of our democratic society. Such violations cannot and will not be tolerated. The perpetrators of such acts must be brought to justice. Acts of kidnapping and arbitrary arrests. Acts of kidnapping, arbitrary arrests, and illegal confinement are not merely personal affronts. They are crimes against the state and a direct threat to the rule of law, which forms the foundation of our democracy, and any action that undermines it erodes the fabric of our society. No individual, regardless of the status of power, is above the law. We stand united in resisting any attempts to weaken the legal framework that protects our freedom. Criminal responsibility is an individual. Where an individual is suspected, that individual must be subjected to the rule of law and subjected to the due process of law. That is the only way we can all be accountable to the rule of law and cherish our democracy.
All we are asking for is the rule of law. There are criminals everywhere. We have criminals in northern Kenya, be they drug dealers, sympathizers of Al-Shabaab, all kinds of criminals are there. But an MCA, a leader, who has been abducted for weeks, cannot be missing. If he's a criminal and there is sufficient evidence to pin him down, we request the government to bring him to the courts of law so that he can face justice. But he can't be missing a leader. If he's missing tomorrow, I'll be missing. I'm equally a leader. So we want the rule of law and the criminal justice system to be functional, to convince all Kenyans that we have a reliable, dependable justice system.
Honorable Yusuf, the MCA for Dela, has been missing for the last 5 days. Constitutionally, I think, if at all, someone is being held by the security apparatus, is supposed to be produced in court within 24 hours. And therefore, we want to appeal to anybody, all the security apparatus, to produce Yusuf to court. If he's a criminal, the court will take his course. If I say again, if Honorable Yusuf is not being held by any of the security apparatus, then it is the responsibility of the government to seek and look for Yusuf, as every Kenyan has a right to, and properties are to be protected. The people and their properties are to be protected.